Hey, Minnie, what's up? It's time for a bath. You got nothing to say, but your tail is wagging. You're gonna have a nice day. Yeah, enter. Stretch. Home stretch. It's that time again. Time for bath time fun. Chipotle Mexican Grill. I wrote this from my phone while sitting on the toilet because I ate here 2 hours ago and now cannot stop pooping. The geniuses in the kitchen did not cook enough chicken and they ran out. There was a long line of people waiting. I figured, I would just get the steak rather than wait. Chipotle steak, and I say the steak because I normally order chicken and I've never had any issues, has caused a dark, thick river of hate to come out of me that Vigo the Carpathian will be proud of. Ghostbusters 2. No janitor and no toilet deserves what is happening in here. 3 stars because at least the guacamole tasted good. Guacamole.